What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mason Barber coming back at you guys with yet another video, and today's going to be a haircut tutorial on my boy Dev. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it. Alright, so Dev, before we get into this, I just want to say I'm proud of you for making the effort of coming more than once a year. Last time he came was only about 2 months ago. Usually he comes once or twice a year, so I'm proud of him on this. But yeah, this haircut's gonna be a mid-skin fade with a comb over on top, and I just did like some stuff, like I just tried to do something with his beard, but I didn't put that in the video. You guys will see at the end though. But we also did 2 lines on the side of his head. But yeah, let's hop into it. So the first thing I do is I take my number 8 guard. I'm just shaping a foundation for the haircut. So I like to do this, clean off the bulk, and to start giving the shape of the haircut. After that, I take my number 4 and do the same thing, and then I take my number 2 open and then do the same thing again. So then I have the top of my fade kind of done. It's not done yet, but it's close to being done, just so that once I do start fading, I just see what I'm doing better, and it comes out cleaner at the end. So yeah, right here we're still doing it. So it goes 8, 4, and then 2 open. And then right here I have my wall magic clip, the lever closed, and I'm making my skin guideline. So I like to curve it just a little bit, especially on his haircut. I just find at the end the haircut comes out nicer. But yeah, so we're just doing the skin guideline, going all the way around the head, and then I take my Baby Bliss Skeleton FX, whatever those are called, and I'm just cleaning up all the hairs that are under. I don't think I hit him with the foil shaver, or I think I did at the end of the haircut. I didn't get it on the video, but I did it at the end. I just hit it on the bottom to clean it up. But yeah, right here we're just taking off all that excess hair that we don't need. And then yeah, so now we're ready to start fading. So the first thing I do is I take my wall magic clip, open up the lever, go up about 1 inch, do that all around the head, and then slowly start fading downward. So the more you go down, the more you're closing the lever, just to get that blend. And if ever you see there's like dark spots, you want to close the lever, or leave it maybe about a little less than halfway open, and you just want to hit it with the corner of your blade. That'll probably get rid of the dark spots. But yeah, you just want to remember, the lower you go, the more you want to close the lever till it's completely closed and you're getting rid of the bottom line you made. And then right here I have my 1 guard open, and we're doing the same thing. So we're going up about 1 inch, maybe a bit more than we did with the half guard, because this is 2 levels, not just 1. So we're going a little bit more, and then you do the same thing. So the lower you go, the more you close the lever. Once you hit it with the lever closed all the way, you want to take the 0.5 guard, so the gray guard, do the same thing. So, but you don't go all the way to the top, you kind of stay in the middle, and the lower you go, the more you're closing the lever. So yeah, you guys can see right here, it's basically almost blended, and we didn't even hit it with the gray guard. So now we're gonna hit it with the gray guard, and you're gonna see the line is just gonna completely disappear. And then, so yeah, here's what I started at the beginning of the haircut, and now I'm just finishing it. So I'm taking my number 8 guard again, going in that long hair, and then I'm gonna take my number 4 guard, same thing, my number 2 guard open, do the same thing again, and you're gonna see there's still gonna be a line, and that line you get it out with the white guard. So the 1.5 guard, lever open, the lower you go, the more you close it, and it'll eventually just get rid of the line. By the way, if you guys made it to this far in the video, don't forget to like. Just drop a like, subscribe, make that red button white. You know, trying to hit 500 subs is the next goal. So let's see if we could do it. I know we can do it, but yeah, it's just gonna take some time and some work. But if you guys are watching the video and you made it this far, just leave a like, go subscribe, means a lot. But yeah, so now we're all blended in. Now it's time to do the top. So the top is, I always do it a different way. This time I don't think I did the bangs yet. Yeah, so the front of the hair, I just left it fall down. I cut that at the end. So what I do is I start on the left side. I may take my first chunk of hair, you know, make my first cut, and that's my guideline. So the more you go behind, you're always gonna grab some of the hair you just cut so that you see what you need to cut, right? So you're gonna see, once you grab the front hair with the hair you want to cut next, you're gonna see the shorter hair, and you're gonna see some hair that's going on top of the hair you just cut. So you just cut that off to make it even. You do that on the left side, you do that in the middle, you do that on the right side, and then I like to cross check. So you'll see I turn the other way. So let's say I'm cutting in this way, I'll turn this way, do the same thing, but on the other direction, just to make sure that everything is even. But yeah, you guys can see that's what he came looking like, and that's what he's looking like now. So huge transformation, hooked him up. Yeah, so that's the cut. So yeah, that's the cut. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. New videos out every week, so just subscribe, turn on that bell to be notified whenever I post, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.